Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know if you guys remember a few months back that I sold my little Chanel mini square back to Fashionphile. So today is the time to show you what I got. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. So I originally I thought I will reach out to my SA in Chanel to just to see, okay, what are the bags I want to purchase. I think you guys already know what I wanted was one is the classic mini in the lambskin, and then also like hard gold hardware. So but that, no, they don't have that. So I'm still waiting. I want that one, but I'm still waiting. But the other one is a 2.55 ratio. It's also mini size, and then it's really elegant. I think compared to the mini, it's a little bit more understated. So that's what I'm going for. I asked my SA, and then she come back said, no, we don't have. I don't know. I think it just truly probably everyone's looking for that kind of bag. So I'm very patient. So I'm just gonna continue wait. So but while I'm waiting, then I bought this one. Yes. This is used Hermes. It's not a Birkin or Kelly or anything. Those are too expensive for me. Basically, I joined their monthly program to just pay every month a little bit, and then after 3 payments, you finally can own this. So that was my plan, but I paid the first one, and then actually my husband said, forget it, you'll just buy this for me, the rest of the money. So I'm really happy that I used some of the money from the Chanel bags that I sold back to Fashionphile, and then he actually paid the rest. So I still have some left, and I bought something else. I'll show you in a minute. But yes, this is what I kind of got in replace of what I sold back, the Chanel mini. So let's see what is. It doesn't come with a box. I think it's really in the new condition, but doesn't come with the box. You ready? All right. Ta-da! Yes, I like this bag. This is a Jypsiere 31. And kind of like a Togo leather, but it's not, maybe. Yeah, it says on here what the leather is. It's from Fashionphile. I haven't cut the tag yet, so it's possible I could return it, but I think I don't think it's I probably want to keep it because the size is amazing, and then also the leather is truly amazing too. You see, it's not the hardware, it's kind of a platinum hardware, but it's really good. Let me open this up for you. Inside's like this. It does have a crossbody stripe, but inside, if you can see as well, it's like this. it has pocket, but I did purchase from Samorga a just inserts in here to hold the shape. I use the same and orange color here. You can see this insert, and inside here you have a kind of a zipped compartment. Do this upside down. You have a zipped compartment here, like that. And then it actually has some more pockets here. You can see on the top, a little bit on top, and then Hermes. And it's in extremely, I think when I bought it, extremely new condition. I think it's between either excellent or new. I think pretty new. But the price was like, oh my gosh, all the Hermes price are so high, right? You know, Kelly or Birkin, I don't know, I can save up, but I feel like I still feels too much to afford. But this one, when they show up, I say, oh wow, this is from Hermes. I'm like, oh wow, I have to buy it. I don't know if it's the only one I'm gonna buy, but I feel it's a good find at the moment. So that's why I'm thinking, okay, whatever down payment, I think I just saved up a few months and I just want to purchase it. So like I said, if you want to afford something, you just have to save up to buy your dream bag. I'm still gonna save up for my Birkin, hopefully one day, but I will save up for those. But this is kind of in between. I think it's really good. Realistically, I will use it very well because it can put all my essentials in, remember? And then my card holder, of course, my phone, and I can even have my probably this one too, just my makeup pouch. You can fit so much in here. It's kind of a good travel bag, I would say, in that sense. Okay, the only thing, fans, I think is this is a little bit nuts. I don't have a good way of closing it. I'm easily also open, so, but I like how it closed up like this. You can also have a stripe. So they offer this as well, which I think is really good. Just hook it up, and it still can adjust to the stripe. Yeah, but I think the size for me, this is pretty good in a sense of crossbody or such. It's like I said, it's a 31, so it's a little bit bulky on me. Like I said, it's really good for travel, can hold a lot of things. One thing though, this is super heavy, super duper heavy. So I don't know if maybe travel, sometimes we want to be a lighter weight, but still you can put a lot of essentials in here. So this is it. Like, I kind of replaced with it. So some of the money goes to here. Like I said, my husband helped me a little bit with this one, so thank you. And the rest of the money here. Yeah, I have to, right? The rest of the money goes here. This is the kind of a rodeo. It's kind of like a rodeo, but it's not like the traditional one, so I can open this for you guys. It's obviously matching this bag. All from the Fashionphile, and then this is the tag, and see, you can put in my bag. Yeah, I was debating whether I wanted something like in here or not. Let's cut this one. And yeah, I'm thinking like, okay, what I would buy, what I would put in here. So I'm thinking, okay, I still need something, a rodeo or something in here. It's really cute, right? Yeah, I think it's really cute still. Just to add some like fun factors to this big bag, right? The next couple things I bought is from Chanel. It's kind of replaced my day-to-day wallet. And this is a card holder I've been using for longest time. So I'm thinking like to replace it. This is kind of the zipped. It's a little bit different than what I have, but it's also from Fashionphile. It's kind of has a card holder in it, card slot in it, and also has a back pocket in here. And it's really cute, really cute. Yeah, this is from Fashionphile. It's all new condition. It says in new condition, and then come with the box. The next thing I bought from this one, from the Fashionphile, is a coin. It's like a card holder. You can use it as a card holder, but I think it's a coin holder. You can put a lot of coin in there, but I'm thinking it comes with the authenticity card. This one, authenticity card, and also that's like the size in here. Side. I'm thinking make a really compact, the kind of like makeup bag. I trying to put some like compact powder lipstick in there. It's a little bit small, but I will see if I can find a mini kind of makeup in here. So I think it's still good find. And this is also from Fashionphile, and then this is what the description of this item. It's all lambskin, and then it comes with a dust bag. The dust bag from Chanel, kind of, and then also a box. And this is also from it's kind of new condition. So a lot of times when I go to Fashionphile, I always trying to make sure it's like new or giftable. That usually means it come with a box or at least a dust bag, and that way you can keep it, or if you want to resell later, and then you maybe can have a better value. But I really like this bag. But one more thing I want to show you. If you guys see my recent video from purchase Rulala, I was from Rulala. One bag I bought is this one. It's kind of a mini Jypsiere, but this one is much lightweight. This is not from Hermes. This is actually from Fred and Tiffany and Fred. So it's kind of a similar design as the Jypsiere. Obviously, you can see the similarities. You can see the similarities, but this is super lightweight, real leather. It's also leather, real leather, and also very heavy. I would say very heavy. But you can see this is so much money. Yeah, this is so much money. I have to pay potentially 3 payments for it. But this one is much affordable, and then you can see the look and feel. It's the same, right? Isn't that amazing? So again, it just said if you can find something that's affordable and then good style, good quality, and then this is the way to go. I guess one way to go. But you know, you can also, everybody's choices, right? That's why I have, you know, maybe I can wear this day to day, but this may be occasionally for travel purpose or something. But you can have the same style, but different ways of getting it. So that's what I said. It's really, really good sometimes to find something that's affordable and then in your price range, or you can save up like I did. Because sometimes I really have a goal of certain bags I want to be in my collection, and then you can save up and then to purchase your dream bags. This is one of kind of a dream bag, but also the price is really right. That's why I was able to buy it. But I think the other bags, it's hard to find and also hard to get. But again, I think I'm gonna continue work on my work with my essay, and then see if I can get those my dream bags someday, right? Okay, and this is all I want to share in this video. If you like my video, and if you see any comments or offering, like what's the best way of lock this bag easily to open and stuff, yeah, please leave a comment down below. So thank you for watching, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until then, until next time, bye bye.